In this video, we are going to show you how to change or edit the Shopify homepage banner size. Now, if you want to change the Shopify banner size, it's not really that difficult. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be logged into your Shopify account. And once you are signed in and you are here on your screen, which is your admin dashboard, I want you to look at the left-hand side. Here, you're going to see under sales channels, this is going to be your online store. So I want you to click on online store. And by default, it's going to bring you to the themes screen or themes page over here. And here what you want to do is click on edit theme, right? So click on edit theme. This is pretty much where you're going to be able to edit pretty much any element, any aspect of your store, the specific store. And if I scroll down, as you can see, this is going to be the default banner, right? This is going to be your homepage banner. If you open Shopify for the first time and you create your store for the first time, this is the default imagery that you're going to see. So if you click on it, right, as you can see, it says hero. If I click on another thing, it's going to highlight other things, right? So to actually edit your Shopify banner, you need to click on it to highlight it, right? So once it is now selected and highlighted, look towards your left-hand menu. And here, you want to scroll down a little bit until you see layout. Right here, you can edit the gaps. You can edit the width, whether it's page or full. You can actually edit the height from medium, auto, small, so on and so forth. You can also edit the padding for the top and bottom when it comes to pixels. There you go. And after that, make sure that you save. So if we edit, for example, let's just do this. As you can see, the save option on the upper right corner of the screen is now enabled. So make sure that you click on this to save any and all customizable things that you've done to your banner. So after that, you're good to go. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.